Welcome to this Breakout, Trusted Gate. Keep control of your data while your collaborative applications migrate to the cloud with Valentin Artaud right now.
Welcome, thank you Alexis, thank you for joining this Breakout. I'm Valentin Artaud, Channel Manager for France and Benelux. Today, I will present to you our new solution helping customers to engage a safe migration to Microsoft 365. Worldwide collaboration has never been so meaningful these days. That's why at R&S Schwartz we take care about data privacy. Now I'm going to introduce today's challenges for a safe collaboration in Microsoft 365. Then we will move to the technical design of the solution and stay tuned until the end for a demo in Microsoft Teams. As I said, collaboration worldwide has never been so meaningful, especially during the confinement. It has revealed the facility to run business worldwide with collaboration tools such as SharePoint or Teams. But did you anticipate this move before? Do you know what kind of data is uploaded into the cloud? Trusted Gate solution from Microsoft 365 meets the gap between security and business challenges. It's important for companies to keep a flexible collaboration and data exchange with partners. But it's also important to remain compliant with local private data regulation. Trusted Gate solution allows our customers to solve a security challenge, collaborate securely in public clouds, exchange data securely with partners, and run an international regulated data. Look at this map. Over the last years, a lot of GDPR-like regulations grew up worldwide. Processing private data worldwide in the cloud is becoming a nightmare. Take a look at this map. There are a lot of different national private data regulation and more to come. It's a challenge to keep the balance between global collaboration and residency regulation compliance. And the users are usually exhausted with compliance. Why? Because the data exchange is too complicated, they are lazy to take additional steps to classify the data, or they are not able to identify the kind of data they are processing. Trusted Gate solution helps to secure all documents. It's invisible to the user, and it can comply with national data regulations and organization compliance rules. So now, before moving to the design of the solution, let's make a special focus on the Cloud Act. So I'm quite sure that you know the GDPR regulation in Europe, but did you know about the Cloud Act? So while Microsoft is pushing customers to migrate to the cloud, this regulation allows to compel US-based technology companies via a warrant to provide data stored on any servers regardless of location. Trusted Gate protects your data, bringing data sovereignty. We are building a wall behind the Cloud Act. But how does it work exactly? Actually, you can see that here Trusted Gate works. At the beginning, you have any files. Here, a Word file, but it could be a PDF, a video, or whatever. We take this file and we will create at the business level a virtual file. It's only a placeholder, an empty file. We have only metadata here, a file name or not. You decide for yourself. What's happening with him? We will upload it to SharePoint, to Microsoft 365, but the real data is extracted from the Word file, encrypted with your key, and the next step, it gets fragmented. The fragments can be stored in the cloud or on your premises. It means you decide where you store the data. Why it is fragmented? Because it's additional layer of security. You can fragment a file and, for example, store it at any place, only 6 or 5 fragments, if there is any data leakage, it's mathematically not possible to defragment, to decrypt this file. The reason why we do this is we already see the quantum computing, and it might be possible to decrypt the encryption standards of today. But what we do, we make with fragments, make impossible the encryption. Business level means what users see. What happens in the background is completely invisible for the user. This is very important. You don't even have to install any software on the client side. For the user, there is no change on the usability. And as you already understood, files can be stored anywhere, on premises or in a sovereign cloud. This is how Trusted Gate allows our customers to remain compliant with national regulated data. Let's have a real-life demo with Teams. I will try to give you a real-life example in slideshow. So actually here on the slide we have two sides. The left side is an authorized Trusted Gate user of the company. And on the right side you have an attacker. Adam belongs to the financial department and is using the desktop Teams. We comply with the web Teams too. On the right side, the attacker is Donald and a potential data collector. That means he's got credentials for Azure or Microsoft 365. But he is not a Trusted Gate user. He is waiting for the data. He wants to see what kind of document will be uploaded. So he is waiting in the file section. Adam now will upload the Excel file into Teams and share it with his collaborators. What's happening now? On the data side, Donald spots a new file. Unfortunately, the file name is already encrypted. He tries to open it with the desktop client, but without success. Unfortunately, the Excel file is only a dummy text, because in this case, it's not possible to access the file. The placeholder is empty. With Excel Online, it is the same. The data collection failed. We can search, of course, a Trusted Gate secure search as a tab accessible for the team windows for file names, content. It's important to understand what we are doing. The cloud provider never gets access to the data. They can't index the data. The data would be compromised. This is what we want to prevent. This is the reason why we have a unique tab search. So now the session is becoming to an end. To sum up, Trusted Gate is a data-centric solution. We encrypt all documents and we allow companies to comply with residency origin regulations. No need for client software. We deploy Trusted Gate in reverse proxy mode or in add-in mode for SharePoint. Thank you for watching this breakout. Don't forget to follow the other breakouts about DevSecOps. And don't forget, with Trusted Gate, don't let regulations regulate your business. Keep control of your data.